Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I recreate step-by-step looks for makeup artists on Instagram. If you watched before, welcome back. For today's look, I'm recreating this green-brown eye. I recreated this look from Mizglamgirl. I'll post a link for her Instagram in the description below. Today, I'm using the Jaclyn Morphe palette. To start, after I've primed my eye, I pick up the shade MF with a small crease brush, starting my outer V and in towards my crease. Also bringing it up to my brow bone. As usual, when I'm using dark colors, I like to start with light transitional colors and work my way up to darker shades. Now I pick up the shade Puder with a medium-sized crease brush. I apply directly on top of the previous shade, once again starting from my outer V into my crease and up to my brow bone. I go in with the color Chip with a smaller crease brush, and for this color I apply it mainly on my outer V and work it in towards my crease, but just when my brush has a little to no color left. For darker colors, I like to grab the tiniest amount at a time every single time. I repeat the same steps from my outer V and in towards my crease until I get the desired color I want. Now, using the same medium crease brush I used to apply Puder, I just go over my whole eye with the brush to blend everything perfectly together. Oh, I forgot to mention that this look was requested by a viewer. I really don't know if I should name her. Let me know what you guys think. If whenever I should get a request from you guys to recreate a look, should I do a shout out or just mention it was requested? Let me know in the comment section. Now to cut my crease. Today I'm doing a half cut crease. Like always, I start by applying a bit of concealer in the center of my eye and look straight to find my crease. Then, following the line as a guideline, I cut my crease up to a little bit more than halfway down my eye. Using the same brush I used to apply the shade Chip, I tried to blend the end of the concealer with the outer V shade to avoid any harsh lines. Now I pack the shade Jada with a small packing brush, packing it on all my cut crease, making sure to blend it with the shade on my outer V. I go in again with the same small crease brush that I used to apply Chip to help blend Jada and Chip together. I pick up a small amount of the shade Abyss with a clean packing brush and I apply it just on the very end of my eye. Then I pick up a little bit of Chip with the same brush I used to apply it, and I go over the previous shade to try and diffuse it together. Now to go in with the glitter, I use a J-Cat sparkling powder with a very thin brush. I got mine at the dollar store, and I start following the line of my cut crease from my inner corner all the way down to where the cut crease ends. This time I decided to make the glitter line a little bit thicker. You can make it as thick or thin as you want. For my lower lash line, I pick up the shade Chip with a lower lash line brush and then apply it as close to my waterline as I can. Then I go over this shade with the shade Puder, using the same brush to blend both of them together. I decided to move and record next to the window to get some natural sunlight. I also stepped out just to my door and recorded my eyes so you can see the difference from indoor to outdoors. And then I moved out to my front yard so you can see my eye fully in the sunlight. So let me know in the comment section which option you liked, indoors, out on my door, or fully outside with the sunlight. I hope this tutorial is easy to follow. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I also have an Instagram account. I'll put the link in the description below. See you next time.